Good morning. Here we are, Thursday, and we will be starting to sand this maple floor. We were here about a week ago or so. We're doing some repairs. We can see where some of the boards are slightly different. We ran all this brand new section because they removed some walls. And over here as well, there's a pattern because of new wood compared to the old wood. And of course, there was a wall there that got replaced. And as you can see, this is where they had a rug. Oh, hello, puppy. And this rug, unfortunately happens with time, creates these marks. That's unavoidable. It always happens, every floor. So we're going to sand this whole thing down, give it a nice semi-gloss finish. It should be done tomorrow, really. We have a cold weather day, and so it's going to slow down the finish part. But, some will wear out finally. But we should finish sometime tomorrow morning, maybe before noon.